Thank you for joining us. This teaching resource is presented by Blackheath Area Neighbourhood Centre's Cybershed, funded by a grant from the Good Things Foundation for Get Online Week 2021. This is your step-by-step guide to getting the warning system called Fires Near Me onto your Android device, brought to you by Cybershed. We acknowledge the Darug, Gundungurra and Wiradjuri people. It's on their collective ancestral lands that we work. We pay our respects to their elders, past and present. Hello, I'm Simon here, Digital Mentor at Cybershed in Blackheath, and I'll be your guide on this short journey through the process. Fires Near Me brings you timely information about bushfires in your locality. To make Fires Near Me work best, we need to take care setting it up, as with any life-saving tool. You can put Fires Near Me onto any Android phone or tablet device. I'll refer to phone throughout this video, but the process is near identical on a tablet. So to begin with, you need your mobile phone fully charged and turned on, and you'll need internet access. Look out for the animated stars designed to draw your attention to icons and buttons you'll need to tap, either with your finger or with a stylus. Overall, this process involves three main parts. Shortly, we'll work through the process a step at a time. But here's an outline. The first part of the process is to download the app from Google Play. The second part involves filling in your basic details, your name and your email address. And finally, in the third part, we make the app work for you by setting up active areas of notification, your watch zones. As we move along, remember you can always pause this video or go back and repeat a section, which allows you to catch up. But at first, I suggest you watch the video straight through once to get the idea, and then come back and follow along with me again. So stick with me now as I explain how to. Don't worry, we'll take it pretty slow. The first part of the process is to download the app from Google Play. You'll need a live internet connection to do this, so turn that on now. A quick note about Fires Near Me. New South Wales Rural Fire Service provides it free, so no payment required. Now, find the Google Play icon, usually on your phone home screen. On my phone, I have it handy at the foot of my screen. It's the rainbow-coloured triangular icon pointing right. Tap on the icon and Google Play will open. At the top of this screen is a search field. Tap now in the search field, and your on-screen keyboard will appear. Now type. Literally, begin tapping keys on the keyboard to spell out Fires Near Me, New South Wales. F-I-R-E-S, and that's likely to be sufficient for a prompt to pop up offering you Fires Near Me, New South Wales. Tap this. Now begin typing using the on-screen keyboard. Spell out F-I-R-E-S. This will prompt a pop-up offering you Fires Near Me, New South Wales. Tap this. So look out for the Fires Near Me icon. It looks like this, only it's pretty small. If two options appear, tap the first option, Fires Near Me NSW. Do not use Fires Near Me Australia. At the top of this white screen, you'll see the app title, Fires Near Me New South Wales, and below it a green rectangle with Install written on it in white. Tap this now. Installation will take a few seconds. Meanwhile, you'll see a green circle whizzing around the Fires Near Me icon in the top left of the screen. This indicates that the app is indeed loading. Once download and installation is complete, the text on the green button will change to Open. So tap Open now. And you have successfully downloaded the app onto your phone. Well done. Now this is important, this next step. When you move around, driving or walking with your phone in your pocket, the app needs to know how to find you. This allows Fires Near Me to give you emergency information relevant to where you are at any time. This means the app needs to know your location. To do this, you need to turn on device location. So tap Allow only when using the app now. The next few screens are a brief introduction to using the app. We'll skip these now, so swipe your screen 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left until you reach the screen that says Sign Up or Log In at the foot of the screen. Now we'll start the process of setting up your personal account with Fires Near Me. Remember, even though it's called an account, this doesn't involve any payments. Tap the button that says Sign Up or Log In at the foot of the screen, red text on a white background.